Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Now, many of you will know that there are several Spotlight alternatives on macOS that allow you to get to files and applications quickly, as well as execute certain tasks from just a couple of keystrokes. Quicksilver, Raycast are two great options. However, the one that I've used since I first used a Mac and continue to use to this day is Alfred. So today I wanted to quickly show you how to use the Alfred gallery to find and install different workflows that extend the functionality of the application and help make some of the day-to-day tasks that you carry out a little bit quicker. I'm on the Alfred website here, alfredapp.com, and whilst the Alfred application is free, and you certainly get a lot of functionality from the free version, if you want to extend that with workflows that you get from the gallery, you need to buy what's called a power pack. Now we can see here a single license for the current version is £34. You can be a mega supporter, which is the license that I have, and that's £59. And what that does is it future-proofs you for all upgrades that are going to come in the future. And we're currently at version 5.5. If you have version 4 and below, you can click down here, enter your email address and license code, and this will give you a discount on the upgrade. So that's the pricing. Let's switch up now to see the gallery and what this power pack will get you. Let's open the Alfred preferences first of all by invoking Alfred and pressing enter here. And that takes me straight into preferences. And over here on the left, we have the sidebar and the workflows are in their own section. Now I've only got 3 in here on this demo account. And these are here because I've installed them in some previous Screencasts Online videos. My own workflow section on my live account has got a lot of these. I'll probably share them in a separate video at some point if that's something that people would like to see. But let's head off to the gallery by clicking here. And we're at the Alfred Gallery webpage. And as I scroll down, we can see there are 12 featured workflows on the page here, all covering a variety of categories. And speaking of categories, if you come down to the bottom, you can browse the workflows by tag. And there are some good ones here. So you can have some workflows related to your AirPods, workflows that center on automation. Let's click one of these here. Let's go for dictionary. And here we've got 5 workflows that we can install, all related to dictionaries of some description. And I do recognize one of these, Power Thesaurus there. I recognize this because I actually use it many times a week. So this is probably a good one to install, I think, and show you that process. I'll click. And this takes you to a well-crafted page that shows you simply how the workflow works. So you can gauge if it does what you need. Now I can see here that to use it, I need to type in the string POWS for a synonym, then the word. And then here it's POWA for an antonym. Then here we have what happens when I press the enter key, or I press the enter key with a keyboard modifier at the same time. And I can also see the other tags that this workflow has. So if I'd searched for web service, then this would have appeared. Okay, let's come up and install. I'll click allow on here. And it doesn't take too long, but Alfred downloads and starts setting up the workflow. Now when it's in, I'll click continue. And I've got a few things to do and accept here before I can use it. So firstly, let's give it a category. I'm going to put this in the tools one.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.